Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, me and my brother are going to show you how to draw a flying eyeball as seen on dragoart.com. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright, get your Sharpie out. Alright, what we're going to do first is we're going to start with drawing a big old circle about this big on the page. Going to draw a smaller circle right inside of that. It doesn't have to be too fancy, just has to be pretty big. Now we're going to draw the third circle right inside that circle. Get all big and cute. Inside that, you can fill that in. Maybe make a little, make a little highlights right here. And fill that in. Alright, now what we're going to do is add some horns. Grant, you can make them as big or as small as you want.
Like a baby eyeball with little horns.
Little horns, tiny little horns. And we're going to do the wings. Now we're going to do dragon wings. Make sure they're pretty big. This flying eyeball needs to be able to fly.
Yeah.
Be able to take off. And our little nubs. Right here to his outside. Now on the inside, we're going to add just a little bit of meat.
He is a baby.
He is a baby. He's got to have chunky little wings. Going to do this to the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect. This can be to your imagination. And on the inside, if you're drawing dragon wings like we are, all you have to do is just add just a little bit of spinal cords to each side. There's 3 on each side will do. They don't have to be too pretty. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the tail. This also can be any tail you want to draw, but I think we'll stick to the standard demon tail. All right, next we're going to draw a tiny little heart on the back of his tail. It's going to be a little obstructed. Right. And that's the line art. Are you ready to do coloring?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're done! Yay! Alright, that concludes the end of our video. If you really liked this, I would greatly appreciate if you left a like, subscribed, or left a comment down below. Thank you all, and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye!